How to sell a special ordered item in AAAPOS RetailManager. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to sell a special ordered item in AAAPOS RetailManager after it has been received. Let's get started. Before selling a special ordered item, it must be received through the Goods Received process. Navigate to the Goods Received window in AAAPOS RetailManager. When you receive the special order, RetailManager will print a docket that you can place with the special ordered item for easy identification. It is important to ensure the item is received through Goods Received before proceeding to sell. Once the item is received, check the CSO tab in the Customers window. The order status will show as received. Now, let's move on to selling the special ordered item to the customer. Start by pressing F6 to go to the sales window, then enter your staff number. Next, enter the customer's number in the customer field. RetailManager will ask if you want to load the customer's special order. Select Yes. The item on special order will now appear in the product details area. After confirming the order, we can now proceed to the payment details. If the customer has already paid a deposit for the special order, select Deposit in the Payment Details frame. The amount of the sale will be displayed in the Paying field. Press Enter. This will open the Deposit Selection window, which lists all the outstanding deposits for the customer. Find the correct deposit by looking up the credit ID, then select the deposit by clicking on it or highlighting it and pressing the spacebar. Once selected, click Commit or press F10 to commit the information. Now, let's complete the transaction. Select the payment method for the remaining balance, enter the amount in the Paying field, and press Enter. Finally, press F10 or click Commit to complete the transaction and finalize the sale. And that's it. You've now sold the special ordered item to the customer. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For more tutorials, visit AAAPOS RetailManager website.